Howdy traders, welcome to the Trader Daily Open. This is episode 20, May 17, 2022. Remember, trading is dangerous. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The purpose of this Trader Daily Open is to take a quick look at the market where it has opened, after it's opened, and determine some significant price levels both above and below, and kind of get a somewhat of a feel for the open and so forth. So let's take a look at the old economic calendar. The biggie was at 7:30 Central, core retail, and going forward at 9 o'clock, there's a couple of yellows that are going to business inventories and housing market index. So we'll see how those fare. The markets overall are up. NASDAQ's over 2% up. ES is 1.4. Russell 1.9-ish. So everything is leaning upwards. So everybody and their cousin are long at this point, probably. So we take a look at the daily chart here. Once again, we identified this after it happened, the day after, the potential reversal bar, and we have upswing that is still in progress. It has not been broken. So, and we identified this level a day or so ago or whenever it was, and this is a significant level, and that's where it is at. It actually broke above it, and it is presently just a little bit above it. So you got that information. So the daily chart is saying long, however, we could be at an area. So looking at the RTH chart, we have a gap. It opened, we have a gap up, and let's make this bigger. Let's take it. We got this guy going, and it made it to the bottom of that, and now we got this going. So that's something. We'll see if it comes back and fills it. That's what it is looking like it's trying to do at this moment. So we'll see if it does close that gap, and if it does, if it reverses or what. So anyway, this is a significant level here. So if you're short, it's reasonable. Anywhere in here from 44.5 to 43 is an area. So that's RTH. So we'll see. It literally just hit the bottom of that gap. So we'll see what it does. 50,000 tick. We had a impulse up overnight, and now we are in a headed down. I'm not sure if that was pretty close to an inside bar, but I don't know. Close enough to, looks like those lows are the same. Anyway, it's short-term behavior is on the downward side, as we already know that. So looking at today's trading day, here's the move up. Intraday bubble net went up, and now we are sliding downward. This area here, well, we're at this bubble net. It's at what, 55, and here's another area. Would be the next area short term down would be 45-ish, and then down to 14 would be the next level down. On the short-term upside, we would be 67, 70, and 84. So we have that. Now, yesterday, hopefully you guys kept your head on your shoulder. That was it started out and it just consolidated for the first 40 minutes or so. So I'm sure it chopped everybody up, but then raped and pillaged them when they did this impulse down. So, because everybody was probably, like we were saying yesterday, leaning towards the long side. So we'll see what they do today. That's good stuff. So we identified up and down areas, and if you're frustrated or just getting into things, or if you've been here for a long time and you've gotten nowhere in your trading career, and you're looking for somewhere where you can actually have a reasonable teaching where it's simple, repeatable, non-controversial, and it works within your existing system. We teach things that actually help you become successful. So, thank you for your time. You all have a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care. Ciao.